With over 1,000 historic homes in Hingham, I was deeply honored when the Hingham Historical Society invited me to be on the Historic Homes Tour. My garden club friends made spectacular floral arrangements for the tour, and the Hingham Historical Society volunteers shared stories and history of the house as guests walked from room to room. What a treat it was when I encouraged a little boy to scoot under the ribbon to push the button in the middle of the floor under the dining room table. Some jumped when the bell rang, others merely laughed at my explanation, "The butler never comes." With all the stories and the conversations around the house during that time, the house felt more alive to me than ever. And Michael and I realized that we're just custodians of our 1891 home.